Alright, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Who's it gonna be?
Danny, I got ghost that you can put it for the takeout. That's not too many of us.
Alright, you guys know where I'm at. And if you don't, I ain't telling. So, you saw who won. Get in touch with me. You know the number. And we'll get that to you ASAP. You got to let me know what size. And I will go get it and bring it to you. Or I can mail it out, depending on where you're at.